folks, it's me again. What am I doing here? I'm taking this off the bench and I'm going to put this on here. And I don't know if it's, like I said, it looks just well oiled. What is it? It is a Kurt VISE. It's a 5-inch, I think. And it's coming off the machine. Now, how did I get it on the machine is a good question. How did I get it on the machine? How did I get it on the machine? Okay. Come on. There we go. Now, this one closer so I can get to the bolt. There we go. There we go. Should come off. That one should come off. And ta-da! This one actually, when I got it, the man was, or the gentleman I should say, he was using it for woodworking. And it's a really nice, really nice, what do you call it? It's a really nice machinist vise. It doesn't look like it was ever abused or anything. It just had it had wooden jaws. I think it had wooden jaws on it. And the dude was using it for woodwork, which is a pretty good idea. I mean, you don't want to break nothing. So, yeah, now I got to figure out. Put this on here. This has a bolt in there. This is stupid. Shouldn't this go this way? I don't know. I don't know what the hell I'm doing here. That's a T-slot. T-slot. Oh, yeah, that might work. Where's my other ones? I need the right size bolt. This is the wrong bolt. The wrong bolt. Where's all my machinist thingamajiggies? Where did I hang them? They were on here somewhere. Where did they go? Where are they? All the little schniggle bobbers. Duh! They're right over. They're on the side here somewhere. Where did I put them? There they are. I found them. Oh, I found them. I found them. I have the, what do you call it? The almighty thing that everybody buys. Yeah, mosquitoes. Yeah, I got this sucker. This made in China thing here. So yeah, I'm missing a few parts, but pretty much everything is there. This in here for now. You can still use it. I don't know where my short that's gonna be too long. Is that the same width? Yeah, it's gonna be too damn long. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Take this off of here. I might buy another one of these. I'm missing parts. Don't need those right now. That can go in there. That can go in there. I gotta put it on the front of the machine here. Put it on the front. It used to be on the front. Now let's move this. Let's unlock this. And there we go. That back up there. This over here for now. Here, let's see. This sucker is heavy. Heavy. Where'd the brush go? Where did the brush go? There it is. Let me clean out under here first. Anyway, clean it off. Clean. So I can go back in there. No. Let's see. This is where I lose a finger. Shit. There's one. Oh, frick. Come on. Move out a little. There we go. Oh, look at that. Sweet. Screw that all the way in. Ta-da, ta-da. I don't know if it should be in the middle more, or I don't know, Christ. I know expert. I just do what everybody tells me. I need a little something on there. Hold it tight. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Sweet. I'm not gonna, what do you call it? I'm not going to, what was I gonna say? Level it right now because I just don't feel like it. But since I have a pretty good handle on here, yeah, there we go. See? Works good. Comes with lots of wood debris from opening the boxes. Bring it back a little. The jaws need some screws. I don't know what kind of screws are in there. What kind of screws are in there? What's holding it on? Oh no, there's nothing holding it on. So, gotta find some cap screws. Where the hell are they? So anyway, got a set of jaws that are nicely greased in there. I probably should clean this thing up, but you know what? Let me see, is it good? Yeah, it's just pretty much patina. It's 50 something pounds. I don't know if it'll fit in there. I don't know if it'll fit in their vaporous tub. So yeah, anyway, that's what I'm doing today. The reason why I got this, in case you really want to know, is because I'm going to be machining this down to make some brass jaws. So stay tuned. When I get this thing all leveled and straight out, I'll let you know. Toodles.